Guys, in this video, we will be learning Pandas Series.apply function in Python. I am using editor PyCharm and Python version 3.12 which is installed on my computer. Before getting started with any of the implementation with Pandas, you have to install Pandas library on your computer. If you have not yet installed it, you have to type in one command, that is pip install pandas command prompt, or you can apply this command on terminal, right? Once you execute this command, Pandas library will be installed on your computer. Then you can use its features in Python code. So let's get started with our tutorial now. What is Pandas series first, right? I have opened a Excel sheet on my computer. If you see this data, this is a country based sales data, right? We have rows and columns, right? If you talk about a column, then it is called a series. If you talk about B, this is also a series. And if you talk about columns and rows, so this is called as a data frame, right? So this is the best example to understand what is series and data frame. We are going to create a series that will be depend on country and its sales, right? Let me minimize it. I'm importing pandas. I have to create a new series that would be S1 pandas library dot series function we'll be using. We are going to create some sales value. That way we can take sales value and we can set our index as well, right? Either we can use index argument in series. I'm going to take country's name. If you get the type of S1, then you will see it's a series, right? If I run the program, so you will get a new series, right? That represent country name as index and its sales value, right? Here it's a type of series, you can see, right? With help of this type function. Okay. Either you can create index like this. These are row labels, right? If you want to use index in a different way, that is also possible. Let me remove it from here and I can set its attribute index, right? This is the same thing. Okay. If you run the program again, so there is no difference in the output. Okay. Right? Let's see what is series.apply function. Series.apply function actually invokes a function on its value, right? We can use another function if you want to perform your custom logic on these series values. We are going to calculate the square of these value, right, with help of one function. Okay, so I am creating a new function that could be a square, right? We will be taking a value as a argument and then we will return it. Now we can use this square function in s1 dot apply. Okay, if you see the documentation of this function, it will show you that will expect a function, right? So here we are going to use square, right? And then it will apply on each value of this series, right? So we will get square of each value in this output, right? Let me run the program. So you will see the square of each value. There is another way. If you want to do the same thing with help of lambda keyword, that is also possible, right? If I take lambda x and apply square, so this is the same thing, right? If you're in the program again, so you will not see any difference, right? Output would be same, right? So here the output is same. Okay. So both the way you can do, either you can use the square function directly here or you can use lambda expression. Okay. Let's see other argument of apply function. We have arguments args as well, which will take tuple, right? So if you see the documentation of this, right? It is saying positional arguments passed to function after the series value, right? So we can pass on our custom values also in this function. How? Taking square like this, and I want to pass on other values as well. So we have to say argument form of tuple. We can say let me sending 50, okay? But here I have to take this value, right? So I'm saying value 1 and I'll be subtracting this value from square, right? So this way can also use, right? Okay, if you're in the program, so you will see this 50 will be subtracted from this final square, right? See, if you want to pass on another argument, then 60, then you have to say while 2, okay? And then you can say while 2, okay? You can apply any business logic as per your requirement that is going to benefit you, right? If you run the program again, so you will see 50 and 60 first, now got added and then got reduced from this square, right? You see? Okay. If you do not want to send any of the parameter, if you do not want to apply any logic, you can simply return this X, right? If you're in the program, so you will get your series value as it is, right? You see, both the output is same, right? We are not applying any of the custom logic here in this function, okay? Let's see other argument. We have quarks also, right? If you want to pass on multiple values, right, with their name, so we can use quarks, right? Instead, so here we are saying quarks, right? And we can apply for, let's say, month in, and then we are saying just keep adding whatever value we are passing from here, right? Month. Okay. Here we can say June 20, July 30. Okay. So this way you can pass on your quarks value. Okay. Right. If you're in the program again, so you will get right 20 and 30. 50 is added into your value, right? So it became 150, 200 became 250, 150 became 200, right? This way you can use quarks, right?
That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.